In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use GhostFeed in TradingView. GhostFeed is a handy forecasting tool that lets you copy a slice of historical price action and overlay it elsewhere on your chart so you can visually compare patterns, timing, and magnitude without guessing. Start by opening your TradingView chart. Pick any symbol and time frame you want to analyze. It helps to zoom into the area you'll be working with so your clicks land exactly on the bars you intend to trace. Clean up any distracting drawings beforehand so the overlay stands out clearly when you place it. Next, look to the left toolbar and find the Forecasting and Measurement tools. This is the toolbox that includes items like price range and date range. Open that menu and select GhostFeed. Your cursor will change, indicating the tool is active. Now, choose the starting point for your measurement. Click on the exact bar where you want the ghost to begin. Think of this as the anchor that determines where the copied price action will be aligned. Picking a meaningful pivot, like a swing high or swing low, often makes the visual comparison more useful. Continue by marking the points you want to measure. Each click adds an anchor and traces the historical section you're copying. You're essentially outlining the run of bars that defines the pattern or move you want to replicate. Be deliberate. Follow the path of the candles you care about, keep your clicks consistent, and stay on the bars for precise alignment. If a click is off, you can undo and try again for a cleaner selection. When you reach the end of the sequence you want to copy, select the endpoint with a click. This finalizes the segment. TradingView immediately creates a translucent overlay of that exact price path and positions it relative to your starting point. You'll see the same structure, duration, and relative movement, making it easy to compare momentum, rhythm, and swing size against the current market context. To finish, double-click to exit selecting. This confirms the drawing and returns your cursor to normal. From here, examine how the ghost lines up with current candles and note whether the tempo or proportions look similar. If the placement isn't what you intended, simply undo and try again with a more precise start, a cleaner set of anchor points, or a different endpoint. Remember, GhostFeed respects the time frame you're on, so keep that consistent for reliable comparisons. That's it. You've just used GhostFeed to quickly visualize how a past move stacks up against your current chart.